$69.3 million. That's how much the artist Beeple sold this NFT, making it the most expensive NFT in the world right now. This is the NFT. My name is Oyindamola and welcome to the Yoruba Chick channel. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up, and let's get into the video. The next two items on the list of the most expensive NFTs in the world right now were sold for $28.9 million and $11.7 million respectively. Given its ability to command such high prices, what exactly is an NFT and how can you make yours? NFTs are cutting-edge technology, and along with the rest of the blockchain technology, they have the ability to change the world. They also have the ability to earn you a lot of money, which just happens to be one of my favorite things to talk to you about. In this video, I'll be doing a deep dive into NFTs and telling you exactly how you can make one and start selling your own NFTs. NFTs are not meant for art alone, but they're currently seeing the most application in the art world. Seeing as they are digital products and not like physical items that you can carry around, why are people paying so much for them? To understand this question, we must first understand what an NFT is. NFT. NFT stands for non-fungible token. But just telling you what it stands for doesn't really do quite a good job of explaining what it means, does it? Or why they're so expensive. Take Naira notes for instance. A 1,000 Naira note can be substituted for another 1,000 Naira notes without changing the value. This means 1,000 Naira notes are fungible. Or in other words, they are replaceable. We can have as many 1,000 Naira notes as we want. But NFTs are non-fungible. Non-fungible items are items that are unable to replace or cannot be replaced by another item, whether identical or not. Fungibility can also be subjective. Like Nigerians say, one man's meat is another man's poison. People can disagree in the amount of value they place in an item. This is why my paintings probably sell less than 100,000 Naira and paintings like the Mona Lisa command millions of dollars. This is because a group of people, usually art collectors, have deemed it as highly valued, and there's immense value in owning one of these items. This value usually only applies to the original version of the art, and a lot of effort is put into ensuring that you can prove the authenticity. Basically, a copy of the Mona Lisa being hawked in Lagos traffic will not sell for the original price as the main Mona Lisa. This is the value that NFTs bring as well. Because NFTs are digital products, the biggest issues people face is, why do I have to pay for this digital product when I could just save it or maybe take a screenshot? This is where blockchain technology comes in. A token is essentially a record of a transaction stored on the blockchain. If you're new to blockchain technology, I made a video about it recently, which you can find in the description below. Basically, an NFT is proof that your piece is authentic. No matter how many people buy it or no matter how many times it changes hands, it still remains the original. Now that you know what an NFT is, what are the benefits and why do you need one? The answer to that may lie in the future. The technology behind NFTs is fairly recent, and there's still a lot to be explored. However, there are some features of NFTs that point to some possible real-world applications. First of all, NFTs are standardized. Digital assets like game avatars, skins, or event tickets or domain names are usually built for a specific purpose, and they are used within like limited environments. NFTs solve this problem by providing a standard for the creation of these items. Basically, you can use an NFT across different apps or across different domains. Imagine NFTs being compatible with different applications. So if you have an NFT, you can use it within a game app, or you can use it on a website, or you can use it as your avatar on different or multiple websites. Those are the kind of applications or standardized applications that NFT provides. Secondly, NFTs have cross-compatibility. This means you can view them in any wallet, you can sell them on any market, and you can even view them in virtual worlds such as the metaverse. Thirdly, NFTs can be traded. This means you can sell NFTs as easily as any physical product. NFTs are built on Ethereum smart contracts. This allows creators to limit the supply of NFTs and at the same time ensures that the properties cannot be changed or modified. This is also a similar feature in the art world or in the art industry where scarcity increases the value of an item. Finally, NFTs are programmable. As a creator, you can simply set the base standard or the base image of your NFT art and simply add features as you like over time. Owning an NFT right now is a huge investment into the future of technology. Some celebrities are already jumping into it, like Snoop Dogg and Ed Sheeran. There are so many use cases or applications that are beginning to come up, such as tickets and community building. For instance, in the future, owning a particular NFT could be the requirement for joining an online space, online show, or any event. This could also be useful in the metaverse, which some people believe is the future of technology. You're probably wondering what all this has to do with you. First thing you need to do is to create the art. I do this on my phone using apps like Procreate Pocket, Adobe Figma, or any other drawing app you can lay your hands on. It's so easy to use these apps that you can even use your fingers to paint. You don't need any special drawing tools or drawing pencils. The second thing you need to do is to create a wallet. There are many cryptocurrency wallets out there like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, but I personally recommend MetaMask because it's been around for a long time. Just head on to their website and follow the instruction. By the way, your MetaMask wallet only works with Ethereum, so be sure not to send any other type of cryptocurrency to it or Bitcoin. Your money will be gone forever. Once you have Ethereum in your wallet, you can start minting. Minting is the act of tokenizing your artwork. Basically, when you upload it to a marketplace and then you make it into a token, so it is written into the blockchain and created as a token. That is when it becomes an NFT. There are different online marketplaces where you can mint and sell your NFTs. Examples are OpenSea and Rarible. Bullion NG is a Nigerian-based marketplace as well. Your NFT can come in any format. It could be JPEG or PNG or even a video, depending on the platform and what kind of files they allow. So basically, you upload your file, tokenize it, and then you can start marketing your NFT for sale. So what have we learned so far? NFTs can be very profitable for artists or creators, especially artists who go viral a lot, but they don't have any way to turn that virality into monetary value. NFTs give you the opportunity to turn your exposure into monetary compensation, and at the same time, you still retain ownership of the artwork. The beauty of this is some marketplaces enable you to collect royalties on subsequent sales after your initial sale of the NFT. So let's say you sell your NFT originally for $500 and the person who buys it decides to resell it for $5,000. You get 5% commission or any percentage of royalty that you set while selling it on their sale. So if the person that bought it for $5,000 decides to sell it again for $5 million, you get 5% of that $5 million or any percent that you set. So as they are reselling your art, you are also making profits or making royalties from it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you understand a little bit about how NFTs work, and I hope you get started on making your own NFTs. I've made a couple of NFTs myself and I'm working on building a collection. I'll leave the links to my collection in the description box. You can make an offer on OpenSea and let me know if you're interested in buying them, or send a DM or email if you're interested in buying them. Thank you once more for watching this video. For more videos about cryptocurrency, NFTs, or making money in general, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Bye!